Behind the design, wide shell width. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a wide work boot and provide maximum contact area. They used a semi-weight bearing scanning technique to capture the expanded foot and provided a template of the work boot insole. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the footwear and provide a large surface area for the application of force via the prescription variables. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the wide shell width from the digital correction section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include the measurement of the shell width at a position just proximal to the metatarsal heads. The medial border of the orthotic is modified with respect to the first metatarsal. For wide shell width, it spans from the lateral border of the foot to the medial sesamoid. Orthotip. Factors to consider when selecting a wide orthotic shell width include the casting or scanning position. What foot morphology has your cast or scan captured? Footwear dimensions. This choice can be suitable for standard to wide shoe styles. Foot morphology. This selection is suitable for moderate to significant forefoot deformities, including HAV or bunions, Tailors bunions, and Metatarsus adductus. Orthotic surface area. This selection will increase the contact area of the orthotic to the foot. Other variables. A wide shell width is often combined with other prescription variables, including medial flare, medial flange, Mortons Extension, and a wide heel cup. Behind the design, define shell width. Practitioners can request a specific shell width. This could be based on a previous orthotic device or footwear measurements. This information can be provided using the shell width section of the prescription form or indicated on a template.